Hey Scorpiolos, it's Matt with Scorpio. Just wanted to give you an overview of a hardwood cook session condensed down to 3 minutes with highlights of what to look for. Of course, we start with the wood. I've got a shed out back with a mixture of hardwoods that have been drying for about a year and a half. There's some oak, some maple, some ash in there, but no pine. I've cut that wood down to around 11 inches, and then I run it through the kindling cracker so we get those perfect hardwood splits, probably 1.5 inches to 2 inches in width, and stacked up ready to go in the Scorpio rocket burner. For this cook session, I used an atomics clock. It gets its signals from outer space, distant planets, or some laboratory in Colorado, just to document the time signature for each step of this cook session. And then, of course, the fire. And when it comes to fire, we don't like to fool around at Scorpio. So I use a handheld butane burner and just blast those hardwood splits with some high temperature flame for about 30 seconds or so until you see the ribbons of flame going down the sides of those splits and you know that that wood is lit. Now, importantly, 5 minutes in, you'll still have a pretty good amount of smoke coming through the chimney and from the rocket burner, just as that wood gets up to ignition temperature. But 10 minutes in, you'll notice you're getting a lot less smoke through the chimney, a lot more heat and a lot less smoke as the wood starts to burn cleaner and cleaner. And you'll see all of those splits are now fully aflame. Next, 30 minutes in on the cook, almost no smoke from the chimney, just a little bit of smoke left at the rocket burner, but most importantly, you get those gorgeous hardwood split flames rolling across the Scorpio oven. I've probably added 2 or 3 more splits in the first 30 minutes, just making sure to keep that burner full. And importantly, we'll take our first temperature read here. We're in the high 700s, so getting very close to that perfect 850 degree pizza temperature. 40 minutes since we lit the wood. We got a nice clean burn, very little smoke coming out of both the chimney and the burner. Those huge ribbons of hardwood flame rolling through the Scorpio. Very little ash buildup. That means a nice clean burn. I've continued to keep that burner stocked with more hardwood splits. And here we go. We should be right at the 850 degree mark at 40 minutes in. And that means, you guessed it, it's pizza time. Now, for hardwood, I love to go with toppings that soak up that hardwood smoke, so I did a 4 cheese and sweet sausage recipe with some Neapolitan dough, and you get that nice char, that nice crispy crust, and of course, hardwood flavor in every delicious bite. Hope this helps, Scorpiolos.